Stephanie, you are freaking suspended for 2 months. Get out of my face right now. You were floor for failure.
Why did summer vacation have to end? Miss Martin and Ms. Clementine are even bigger jerks than before. I need to teach them both not to mess with me, Stephanie. I have the perfect plan. I'm going to once again blow up the school with a super bomb. The same one me and Evil Kiko used to blow up Ponyville back in 1st October. It will be the ultimate school prank.
Oh my god. This place is going to blow. Quick. Everyone, we have to get out of here.
Ha 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 ha. Take that, you stupid school.
Oh. Stephanie. Freeze right where you are. I'm calling the cops.
You poop noses will never catch me.
Hey. Get back here with my freaking car.
What the hell is going on out here? Holy crap. Stephanie just stole Miss Martin's car. I'm gonna catch that brat and expel her severely.
Holy crap. I'm going at 200 miles per hour.
Dude. Did you just see that?
Hey, don't call me dude. My name is Officer Gnaru.
Come on. Let's get in the police car. Get back here, Evil Kiko.
But Evil Kiko. Get in.
I'll see you later, Chavo. You can't escape, Evil Kiko. Now Chavo is chasing them. Where do you think they're going to?
For the last time, stop calling me dude.
That's it. I'm switching into maximum overdrive. Oh my god. I don't think I can control the car anymore.
It's unusual. Why didn't we just move back a second? What in the world is actually going on?
No, we're gonna crash. This is Kimberly with GNM News. I am reporting from the scene of a car crash which took place after a 16-year-old girl stole her teacher's car and started a car chase. Here to arrest her is Officer Steven and some fat dude.
Hey, don't call me dude. My name is Officer Gnaru.
We now have read Brad 1 out of Vera. So Brad, what do you have to say to Stephanie now that she has caused $50,000 worth of property damage?
Stephanie. How freaking dare you steal Miss Martin's car? And then cause a car chase. You are grounded for 6 months. During this time you will get daily punishments from everyone who was in the car chase. Plus Kimberly.
Cool.